everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, I have another chipboard project for us, and it's going to allow you to get rid of some of those chipboard scraps. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. Welcome to all of my new subscribers and new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you all so much for the awesome way in which you support me and my channel. Today we're going to make some 3x3 note cards and a nice little chipboard box to hold them. And here's what I'm talking about. I'm going to give you a closer look in just a minute at the complete set, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. So here is a closer look at today's awesome project. Doesn't this look like something you would actually purchase in the store? Well, if you're new to my channel, this is the norm for how we craft and what we craft. My goal is to take the most inexpensive things possible and make them look like $1,000,000. And the second part of my goal is to make sure that anyone who wants to learn the fine art of paper crafting will be able to easily follow along with my tutorials and learn how to make projects like this. Things you thought you could never make, yes you can. So the actual fillable surface of this box is 3 3/4 by 3 3/4 by 1. Then we have a 4x4 top and a 4x4 bottom. So I'm going to remove the lid, and on the bottom we have double stacked some chipboard so that it fits right inside the box. Then in the box I have some crinkle seam binding, which is going to help you to be able to lift out these cards without the need for cutting in a groove on the side. And all I've done is I've taken some medium weight cardstock and I have made some really fun and delightful cards and envelopes. So the inside of the envelope actually matches the card. And so for my set, I need to make 2 more envelopes because each one of these sets is going to hold 4 cards and 4 envelopes. And that will be 4 flat cards. You can probably safely get away with making a set that has 6 flat cards and 6 envelopes. But I stopped at 4, but you can go as high as 6. So I'm going to take these and just put them back on the inside. And here is what we're going to need to make it. So I have some chipboard pieces. I have 2 pieces that measure 3 5/8 by 3 5/8. And I have 2 pieces that measure 4 by 4. Then I have 4 pieces cut at 3 by 6. I have 4 pieces cut at 5 1/4 by 8. I have 1 piece of 6 by 12. And I have 1 piece that measures 7 3/4 by 7 3/4. So let's go ahead and make the cards and envelopes. So we're going to take the pieces that measure 3 by 6. And on the 6-inch side, score at 3. This is how you get your 3 by 3 card. And then we're just going to take these and fold them in half. And I have a white core to my card, so that means that I am not going to need to add anything to the inside unless I want to. So I've set my cards to the side, and we're going to go ahead and make one of the envelopes. So I have a piece that measures 5 1/4 by 8. On the 5 1/4 inch side, score at 1. Rotate it to the opposite 5 1/4 inch side, score at 1. Turn it to the 8-inch side, score at 3, and score at 6 1/8. And then we're just going to fold and burnish our scores. Then all we're going to do is remove all 4 corner pieces, cutting in at angles. So we'll angle cut in there. Angle there, angle here, angle here, angle here, angle here, here, and here. Then I'm going to take my scissors and just round those ends. See that I need to clean my scissors again. And so now I'll take my glue, place some glue right in there, some glue right there, And then some glue here and here. Then we can fold up. And there we have our envelope. And then I have these little pieces of ephemera. And I'm just going to take my glue. And we're going to make some very quick and easy cards. Y'all, it just doesn't get any easier than this. And I'm going to add some glue here. And we're going to take this bunny on a bike and place it right there. So you can see that I'm going for the fun and the whimsical with these projects. Take this one, put it right there. Then I think that I want to take this one that says friends. And I'm just going to put it there like that. And I'll take this one that says together. And we're going to put it right there. So how easy was that? So now I'm going to take my envelope and I'll add just a little bit of glue. And then I'll take this little piece of ephemera. We're going to put it on the back. And now we have some cards and an envelope. That will fit beautifully into our box. So I'm going to move these over to the side and I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is to make this beautiful box. So I'm going to take my piece that measures 7 3/4 by 7 3/4 and we are going to score at 1 and at 2 on all 4 sides. So that's 1 and 2. And y'all, it might look like I'm pressing down really hard. I'm not. I am scoring with a very light touch. And now we're going to fold and burnish all of our scores. So then we have 3 corner pieces that we need to remove from all 4 sides of our box. So I am going to go up to the 2nd score mark and drag straight down, and then I'll angle in here, angle here, and reduce. Then I'm going to go ahead and just do a slight angle right there. And we'll do this all the way around the box. So I'm going to go up to the 2nd score mark, cut straight through the middle, dragging down, angle in, angle in, and reduce that piece. So now we're going to put our box together. I am just going to take my glue, add glue to my tabs, and then we can just join those tabs, making sure that we have a nice crisp corner. Do the same thing over here. And we just do this all the way around the box. And then we're going to take our glue and place glue on these outer flaps. And then we're just going to fold them in the box. So basically what we're doing is we are reinforcing the sides of this box to make it a little bit stronger. So I'm just going to go on the inside with my ruler because I really want to be able to get into those corners. And I'm going to get it nice and stuck. And so there we have our box. I am going to go ahead and take the piece that measures 6 by 12. I am going to remove the tape backers. And we're going to place that down on the 6 by 12 inch piece. And then I'm just going to trim away some of this excess. And then I'm just going to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. Then I'm just going to take this and just go around each edge to get my score. Then I'll use my finger blade to miter these edges. And then I'm going to take my glue, place it around the edges, and fold over. And then I'll use my big old spatula to make sure that I have everything nice and stuck. And we'll do the same thing on this one. So let's get that glue placed. And I'll fold over. And we're going to get all of these nice and stuck. Then I'm going to take the two pieces that measure 3 5/8 by 3 5/8, and I'm going to place some glue so that we can join these two pieces together like this. And then I forgot to mention one piece, so you're going to need one piece that measures 4 1/2 by 4 1/2, and that is scrap paper. And then I'm going to place this right here. And then I'll make sure I get that nice and stuck. And then I'm just going to stand it up and get my scores. And then I'm going to angle here, just like I did on the other two pieces. We're going to go all the way around doing the angle cut. And I'm going to add some glue here. And we're going to fold over just like we did on the other two pieces. So now we're going to take some glue, add some glue to this piece. And we're going to take this and place it down on this piece, trying to get it centered on all four sides, like that. Then I'm going to take it, put it in the box to make sure I have a nice placement on this, and I do. So it's just going to slide right inside the box. So I'll really make sure that I get this stuck. So now I can flip it over and we can place the bottom. And to place the bottom, I am just going to add glue, making sure I get good glue coverage on these edges. So now I'm going to take this, put it on, and then we're just going to stand it up and tap it as you're turning it. Then you're going to have the top lid and the bottom lid will match up like this. So then I'm going to take just a little bit of glue and some crinkle seam binding, placing that glue right there. Take the seam binding, put it right there, and while that is drying, I am going to go ahead and do a little something to the lid. So I think I'm going to go with this nice little heart. Add some glue to the back. And just place it right there. I'm not going to add anything else. I'm just going to leave that as is. So now we can take our envelope and our cards and place them on the inside. Then we can tie a little bow, just like that. And there we have another beautiful box to hold our 3x3 cards. Y'all, look how absolutely adorable this is. And look how it looks on the inside. Super easy to make. You just saw how easy it was. Very simplified process for making these little boxes. I am going to bring that first one back in so that y'all can get a good look at how gorgeous these actually are. I hope this video has inspired you to grab some paper and to make some of these awesome 3x3 note card box sets. And I hope that you have liked this video. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.